In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Excel stdol32.tlb error. If Excel refuses to open and shows the stdol32.tlb error, don't worry. This usually means some core Office library files were damaged, often after a Windows update. The most reliable fix is to run a repair from Windows settings. This process rebuilds those components and, in many cases, gets Excel working again without you having to reinstall everything manually. Start by opening the Start menu. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to bring it up right away. You can also click the Start icon if you prefer. Before you continue, make sure all Office apps like Word, Outlook, and Excel are closed to avoid any interruptions during the repair. Now, type Add or Remove Programs into the search box and open it. Depending on your Windows version, this may appear as Apps and Features, but it takes you to the same place. This is where we'll access the Office repair options built into Windows. In the list of installed apps, scroll until you find Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. The exact name can vary based on your subscription or license, but it will clearly mention Microsoft and Office or Microsoft 365. Click to highlight it so you can access more options. Next, click the three dots to the right of the entry or right-click it and choose Modify. If Windows asks for permission, select Yes. This opens the Office Repair tool, which is designed to detect and fix issues with your installation. First, choose Quick Repair. This is fast, doesn't require an internet connection, and can replace missing or corrupted files that commonly trigger the stdol32.tlb error. Start the quick repair and let it run to completion. Once it finishes, try launching Excel to see if the error is gone. If the error persists, return to the same Modify menu and this time choose Online Repair. This is a deeper, more comprehensive fix that effectively performs a localized reinstall of Office, rebuilding core libraries like stdol32.tlb. It takes longer and requires a stable internet connection. During this process, Office components may be temporarily removed and then reinstalled. Save any open work before you begin, be prepared to sign back into Office afterward if prompted, and follow any on-screen instructions. Allow the repair to complete fully and restart your computer if Windows asks you to. When the online repair finishes, open Excel again. In most cases, the error will be resolved and you'll be back to work with a fresh, healthy set of Office files.